will be a flood. Now let's read that. Let's read Genesis 5, 26 to 29. After he became the father of Lamech, Methuselah lived 782 years and had other sons and daughters altogether. Methuselah lived a total of 969 years and then he died. When Lamech had lived 182 years, he had a son. He named him Noah. See the family genealogy. You have Enoch, who was taken to heaven. Then you have his son Methuselah. He lived for 969 years. And the meaning of his name is, after I die, the flood is going to come. And Methuselah has a son whose name was Lamech. And Lamech had a son who was Noah. And you know who Noah was? God used Noah powerfully. God used Noah to build an ark. And through Noah, God warned people